Assalamualaikum and very good day I wish to all fellow respected interviewers. I wish all of you are having a wonderful day. Before I start, I would like to express my gratitude for this golden opportunity for having me in this interview session. Today, I would like to present and talk about the job position opening, which is environmental engineer in your company. Next, I would like to give an overview on what I will be presenting for today, which have four main parts. The first one is self-introduction, that I will be introduced briefly about myself. Second is the purpose why I am applying for this job position. Third, my skills and my area of expertise. Then the fourth one is my Hollands Test results. Moving on to the first part of this video, which is the self-introduction. First and foremost, my name is Muhammad Haziq bin AZHAR and I am 22 years old and born on 13th of August 1999. I furthered my studies in Bachelor's degree of Chemical Engineering and graduated with CGPA 4.0 First Class Honours. I worked research about environmental pollution caused by our daily product usage. I also have left out my email and phone number here for any inquiries regarding this interview. You can also search me on LinkedIn and take a look on my account. Moving on to the second part that I want to stress on, which is the purpose I am applying for this job position. I listed out three major purposes. Firstly is to learn. Learning is an essential for me and I would like to remain to be interested in gaining more knowledge deeply into chemical engineer field to expand my skill set and develop more opportunities in the future. I would like to reach my full potential and capabilities when I am in this company. I believe that this company will be a place for me to have a continuous learning and encourage myself to be a successful person. Next, communication. I do have my personal point of view, which is that one will not achieve anything without the help from others. Therefore, communicating is very important among the workers as we can have a discussion on new plans and ideas. Having to communicate with people from various backgrounds would give me new perspective and learn many more things evolved around us. Finally, is to innovate. Currently, we are living in a world full of technology. I would like to bring a fresh innovation ideas and creativities to your company. I believe that this would bring a whole lot new of scene in the oil and gas industry in terms of productivity and processes. Alright, settled for the purpose. Let's move on to the third part of this video, which are my skills and expertise. These are the top 3 skills that I have developed: leadership, innovative, and competitive. I will talk about those 3 qualities briefly. For leadership, I am deeply involved with American Chemical Society UTM International Student Chapter, or shortly called as ACS. Even being the committee member of this society, I was trusted to become the higher-ups for some events, which shows that my credibilities and capabilities in doing the job. During my time as the Vice Director of ACS Industrial Talk 2021 and the head of Technical and Planning Department of ACS CSR program, I realized and learned that being put as a leader does not mean that I just giving them orders to my team. However, it's about spearheading and guiding them to achieve each event's goals. Second quality is innovative. During my years of studies, I have worked on numbers of experimental research about our Earth's environment. One of my projects is to recycle and reuse the refinery oil sludge to become usable liquid hydrocarbon to reduce the amount of waste disposed. Another project, I have made some research to maintain sustainability. The third one is competitive. The picture on the left was me representing my college for the UTM games in the ping pong category. When I say I'm a competitive person, it is not about just winning the game, but it's more towards the struggle and striving to achieve each objective and task given. Moving on to the Hollands Test results. This test shows what kind of personality that I have based on the top 3 highest marks that I got. First, I got enterprising with the highest marks. Enterprising people tend to perform each task given and deliver the job successfully, which makes me a perfect fit to add into your team. Second is investigative. I tend to clearly and carefully analyze the things I work on, which makes me a good environmental engineer. The last one is social. I like to communicate with people to reach out others' perspective and opinions. Social quality is an important trait since we are working as a team and having good communication gets the job done easier. Before I end my presentation, this is my favorite quote that kept me going and inspires me, which is be hungry. Hungry in this context is not about eating food, but getting out of our comfort zones and become eager to achieve many great things and success. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for having me today and your consideration for this interview. I look forward to hear more from your side. Thank you very much.